So today we are going to do a sleeve, a short sleeve. Yeah, so we need bicep measurement, we need sleeve length to know how long we want our sleeve to be, and we need to know the measurement above the elbow. Yeah, right above the elbow. So we are going to make a starting point. Then we are going to measure down 5 inches. You might do 4.5. That is the bicep line of 5 inches according to what you want. Then the last line is our sleeve length. How long you want your sleeve to be. So we go on that line, we indicate 4 inches. 4 inches, yeah, 4 inches on that line, the first line. So we also go in the bicep line, we make the bicep measurement. Mine was 7. I add 1.5 inches to as the seam allowance. Then we come there and we divide that by a half. We go in the 4 inches point and we divide that by a half. Then we get our pattern maker and we make that curve up to the middle point where we marked. We first make it to the middle point up to where we marked. Then we are going to again to make the curve again and mark it to the bicep measurement. So you make the curve so well and make it up to the bicep measurement. So we go on the last line, which is our sleeve length line. We measure the arm. I told you we have to measure the arm circle, but right above the elbow. So that measurement you got, you divide it by 2. After dividing it by 2, you add 1.5 inches as a seam allowance. So mine was 6.5 plus 1.5, which is 7.5. I marked it. Then I connect those two lines, yeah, to that point. So that is our sleeve, our short sleeve. So what we do next is we cut it out. Yeah. And what we do again, we are going to get our meter and measure. Is the armhole corresponding with the measurement? So the armhole must be corresponding with the measurement we measured. So we measure that again to be sure that the sleeve is not small. Yeah, so that is our sleeve. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel and you learn fashion.